warmed up. Still have to use the block of the wood. Gotta take the fan back off and fix that, but it works for now. He's running real nicely. And I got out thermometer. We're looking for a maximum of around 240. And we ain't anywhere close to that, so. And right down there, in that little silver spot, right underneath the intake manifold, right above the line that separates the 10 from the